Hey guys, I just got these new dishcloths in the mail, and it comes compressed like this. So I'm just going to open it up and we'll take a first look at them, kind of check out the quality. I love like opening compressed bags. It's always so fun to see it like expand. Anyway, just going to cut the top off of this, being careful not to cut the towel itself. Let me make sure I got enough space. Ah, there it goes. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull this out. And have a look here. Okay. I really like that it has these little hooks at the end. 100% cotton. We sure do love that. And then has information for washing on the tag. So that's great. Love that these are all cotton. It's pretty awesome. There's like a nice weave here. You can see the stitching here on the other side. It's a little different on the ends than on the sides. But yeah, it's nice. It's soft. Feels like it's going to be absorbent. I don't remember how many are in this pack. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is great. And well, there we go. It says 6. That makes sense. Came with the right amount. But yeah, I like that the corners have this so that when they get wet, you can hang it really easily. And it's like space saving and keeps everything neat and tidy. I probably just need to put a couple like little hooks or pins on my wall where I can hang the 1 or 2 that I'm using at a time. But yeah, this is really nice. I like the gray color. I use a lot of neutrals in my home, so that's going to be really helpful for me. But I'll make another video using them later so that we can check out the absorbency and stuff. But yeah, I hope this is helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.